The only thing I wanted to change when I can go back in time is I have to listen more to my coaches and trainers because yes, they give me. You know, when I was young, I was really like how can I say that hard-headed. You know, I didn't listen at all. You know, if my trainer said, "Yeah, when we spar, you have to punch more," and you know, back in the days, I was more like a kicker. You know, and near. So I'm like, nah, I don't like to punch now. I'm gonna kick more. You know. But now I'm thinking like, okay, when you go higher, you know, up in level, you see every fighter punch more than they for a kick, you know. Almost every fighter, let me say that. But yeah, the main thing I wanted to change if I can go back in time is listen. I have to listen more to my trainers and coaches. Yeah. For me, it's about all the trainings that we had, you know, especially the spar sessions back in the days. Then we go to other gyms, you know, to spar with other fighters. And, you know, when we have to, like rest between, my trainer, like coach me, you know, he said like, yeah, you have to do this more and do this and that more. But like I said, I was hard-headed, you know. And I think if I listened back then, I would be now even more a better fighter, more of a better fighter, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yep. It's the difference in perspective, isn't it? There's your first person perspective with what you see, what you notice, especially under the pressure in fights and things like that. And then what other people that know you well and know the sport well notice from that sort of third person view. And the information they can give you if you're willing to receive that is really useful.
Yeah, exactly. So what you said, the first person view is I won't say the most important view, but it is important. But the view from your trainers from outside, you know, is very important also, you know, and they see things that you don't see, you know, and that's why you have to listen to them also.
Thanks for listening. If you found this valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with someone else it could help too. Please give the podcast a review or comment below. We'd love to hear from you. As always, you can visit heatrick.com for more Muay Thai performance podcasts, videos, articles, and guides. Catch you next time.